The Joint Committee report has recommended the amendment of Clause 10 of the NSSF Act to allow mandatory savers midterm access to their benefits. If adopted, a saver will access 20% of their benefits when they have saved for at least 10 years and attained the age of 45. In addition, a person with a disability who lacks gainful employment or fails to generate income and unable to make a contribution to the fund for a period not less than 1 year should access 75% of their contribution upon application, subject to approval from the minister.
Some people save and would wish to use their money even before they reach the mandatory age of 55. And we listened to the outcry, and we decided to consider them.
It would have helped matters to have their savings, a portion of their savings, given to them when they need those savings most. And the time is now.
Somebody at the age of 45 and above can access his money. Then what we have been going through, people die, leave their money, and they don't access it. And that is the age where somebody is very productive, that he can support on his business and also create a new business.
However, Budadiri West MP Nandara Mafabi and his clerk North counterpart Anthony Akol offered a divergent opinion in a minority report. They are recommending a midterm access of 30% of accumulated contributions and interest to be allowed to a beneficiary who has worked for at least 15 years or attained the age of 45, whichever comes earlier. A beneficiary gets 10% of the accumulated contributions if he or she loses a job and remain unemployed for a period of not more than 5 consecutive years. And a beneficiary gets 5% of the accumulated contributions if he or she is unable to support him or herself when there is a national disaster or outbreak of a pandemic lasting more than 6 months. NTV has, however, learnt that President Museveni has summoned the committee members over a disagreement on which ministry should supervise the fund. Whereas the President wants the Ministry of Finance, the committee recommended both the Ministry of Finance and the Gender Ministry.
The workers' representatives were not satisfied, and we decided that we have an interaction with the President to give more explanation about the letter he wrote concerning which ministry should be responsible for National Social Security Fund.
The Joint Committee has, however, rejected a proposal for the fund to directly lend government without authorization from Parliament on grounds that this will lead to abuse of funds contributed by workers. The report of the committee will now be considered by the Committee of the Whole House. Habad Ziwa, NTV, at Parliament.